Hello, it's Twinkle and Twizzy. You're here with Twizzy, and I just want to tell you guys you have me for a whole month because Twinkle has to take care of some things, so you got me for a whole month, guys. Right now, I don't know what to do. If today was supposed to be a TNT, now I'm just gonna end up blogging. So let's just vibes and chill today. Have fun, enjoy. I'm wearing this jumper because it's cold. You know, gotta represent as well. And I'm gonna get my hair done, so I will wear a hat. It's just right now I just put it up because I can't bother to get the hat somewhere in it. The hat somewhere. Anyway, you know the gaff, my heater in the back because for some reason, yeah, they placed my hair in a weird position, so you're always gonna see it anyway. Like I tried to move the camera, but it's a bit hard, isn't it? So like you're just gonna see my best friend right here, the heater. So yeah, but let's go on to the video. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a bit lazy, so yeah, it's a lazy day. Time for the baking. So I'm going to bake these. Just add butter cookies, and it's really simple. You literally just add the butter and it's done. Because like me, I'm trying to learn how to cook, and yeah. So you just add the butter, put it in the oven, and kazam, it's there, it's out. You got cookies. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I put too much butter in the thing, so it was really, really, really sweet and like buttery. But life goes on. They taste alright. It tastes okay. Like, you know, I put some like white chocolate sauce, some Nutella on the thing, put some sprinkles, you know, add a bit of magic to the thing, add some magic, and just ate it. Made it better. Made it 10 times. I mean, Nutella makes anything better, so it made it 10 times better. But it was fun. It was something to do. I was bored. But literally, when you add the Ben& Jerry's ice cream, oh, it slaps. And I found this new cookie dough ice cream. It's alright. It's alright, but I prefer the half and half. Anyway, I'm off to the store right now. Like, can you just pre what I'm going to the store with? Like, look at this bag. Like, it really be a unicorn day. Like, this is bruh. Hey, do you know what's so weird? Yeah, so I'm looking down the aisle and then I see like the Jammy Georges, yeah. Then I see this unicorn Jammy Georges. I'm like, no, I have to get this because like today's a unicorn day and the unicorns are like on my side. And then literally I look, yeah, and then there's like this Maryland birthday cake, yeah. Like I have to get the Maryland like birthday cake. Like I sit here like, no, both of these are a boss. Like you have to. We're at the main event, which is the bowling, and we went like neon night. So like, oh my gosh, you know how I love my neons. So everything's just like light up, bright colours, just bright. But like me at bowling, floppage. Oh my days. When I mean a floppage, like normally I get a strike. I did not get one strike. Like I swear, the ball does not like me, and the green ball is the one I always go for. But I don't know what happened. Like what flappened, what disandled, like discombobulated with words. So after bowling, we always like go to the arcade and play games and like get as much tickets as we can. And like me and my bro, we always go on to these like 2 games because we know we're gonna get like over 50 tickets. But like we didn't have that much change. But let's just say we thought, okay, we got a lot of tickets. We're gonna get like a prize or something. Just sweets. Oh, just sweets. We came up with bad sweets. So I'm back with my hair done. Like I was debating on what colour to get, but I found this packet. It's called Sour Patch Kids. So it's like ombre green and it goes to orange. So it's Sour Patch Kids if you ever want it. It looks good with the black because I was thinking, should I have yellow in my hair or green in my hair? And then I was like, let me just go black. Like last time when I had the neon with the black, I think it just looks better, striking. I also picked up like 2 glasses from Primark. Hold up. So I have these pink ones. These ones are £2. There's a red pair, but the red pair didn't really look nice like on me. Well, I mean, I can't get it on, but like be slaying in outfits with these glasses on. Like you can't. You're gonna see me across the street like over there. You're gonna be like, like, the sun has nothing on me right now. The sun has nothing on these glasses. It's nothing. It's gonna be I'm gonna be walking around like an IG filter. I'm going to be an IG filter. Like, I'm just gonna sit there. I'm just gonna sit there like an IG filter. Everyone's gonna be like, oh my god. Like, this is like £3. So these, I'm gonna call my Matrix glasses, because do I not look like I'm going into the Matrix? Like, sorry. Does this not look like I'm going to enter the Matrix? I'm sorry, like, for £3. This is the end of the video. Like, comment and subscribe, share, give us a thumbs up, you know. Go to the Instagram, _YouTube. That's where you can find us. You can see some banging, you know, outfits like this, okay, on the Instagram. We don't disappoint, so I'm out.